Hi, I'm Joe Willie Smith. I'm one of the artists in the Explore exhibit at the Tempe Center for the Arts. My sculpture in the exhibit is called a sonic sculpture, and I use it to do experimental music with. Today, I'd like to show you how to make a very simple sonic sculpture using materials that are readily available, some available at the Tempe Center for the Arts in case you don't have those things. And you'll be able to play music and explore all the ways you can make sound using this simple instrument. The materials you will need will be a large tin can, which is available at the Tempe Center for the Arts. You can call or email to arrange to pick one up. A small branch and a small stick. Pipe cleaners, they come in a variety of colors. Colored tape and rubber bands. You'll need some large rubber bands. You'll probably need about 3 or 4 depending on the size of the branch and how you attach the rubber bands to the can. And that's it. Very simple. The first thing I do is decorate the can. It's much easier to apply the tape to the can and have fun with it before attaching it to the branch. So just take the colored tape and have fun. You can see that I've just made stripes and bands of color around my tin can. So that's the first thing you want to do, is have some fun and decorate your can. Next, I decorate the branch with a few pieces of tape, simply because it's easier to apply the tape to the branch before you put the can on. The next step is to take 2 large rubber bands and place them around the end of the branch and slide those all the way to the top. Now you take the first rubber band and stretch it over the can about in the middle of the can, and then flip it and take the second rubber band and stretch it over the can. So now you have the can attached to the stick or the branch with the rubber bands, but it's still kind of shaky. So now what you have to do is attach the third rubber band. And the third rubber band, I'm going to take this off. I started decorating my stick before I put the rubber band on. You don't want to do that. So now I take the third rubber band, I stretch it from one side over the can and to the other side of the branch. And to make it secure and to hold the can tight, take the rubber band and make a second loop around the branch on each side. And that will hold the can in place. So now you're ready to decorate. And I like to have fun with pipe cleaners, and so I just take them and kind of put them wherever I want to. And I just have a little fun with them. And you can put the pipe cleaners wherever you want. I like mine on the top because they kind of remind me of feathers in a way. And so I just wrap them around and attach them to the top of the branch. And these can be anywhere you want, and you can use other things. You can use string, you can use yarn, you can use beads, you can use more tape, anything you want. So now we have a finished sonic sculpture, and you can use yours to explore all the various sounds you can make with this. Have fun. I do. I hope you've enjoyed making this sculpture with me. It can be a lot of fun. You can decorate it any way you want. And remember, you can get the tin cans at the Tempe Center for the Art, and you can also get some branches that I've left there for you. You simply have to contact the Tempe Center for the Arts to make arrangements to pick up your tin can and your branch. I hope you have fun.